Sarah McBride is a man. That's why he said Mr. I am sick of the pronoun nonsense, and this is in that category. And this is what Sarah decided to say about the issue after the fact.
We will not take a lecture on decorum from a party that incited an insurrection.
Does that sound like a woman to you?
I appear to live rent-free in the minds of some of my Republican colleagues. I wish that they would spend even a fraction of the time that they spend thinking about me, thinking about how to lower the costs for American families. They are obsessed with culture war issues.
So you have a penis and are in a dress. So you get to stop with the lectures on the culture wars. Okay. You're a man with either a wig or with women's hair. I guess maybe fake breasts. I don't know what you did in there. Don't really want to know either. But you're wearing a fucking dress and you've got a dick. I'm sorry. I just get it together, sir.